everyone. I hope you're all doing wonderful on this 23rd of September 2024. My name is Marcello Kolax, and I am walking you through the energy markets today. And how did we end last week? That was quite interesting. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. And here on the front month chart, we see that the market did test support at this long-term trend line that goes back all the way to February 2024. And it's a good one. It was hit like once, twice, three times, and now a fourth time. The long wicks here are showing us that the market or the bulls were trying, the bears were trying, but in the end, nobody really won. Zooming in on the daily chart, we can observe that all of this big range was just due to what happened on last Thursday. Here we also do have like a bullish engulfing happening, with the second candle being green, the first one being red, and engulfing the first candle. I also removed some trend lines here, and I changed them with a trend channel because the old trend lines were not useful anymore. They didn't really help at all to make any sort of trading decisions. So that's why I'm going with the channel here. Now, by textbook, the bullish engulfing pattern would be triggered above or confirmed above 36.77. And it would be invalidated below 32.04. This is a crazy wide range and probably not likely to be hit anytime soon. Or if it is, then the move is probably already over. So that's why I think this is not really useful. I would much rather go with a stepped approach, and I would go with a 33.75 and 35.15 range. If we move past that, then we would get more confirmation for that direction before we continue. You can see with my arrow here that I believe for now the market could be moving sideways within that range, and the hourly chart will give us the earliest signals there. You can see I am working with a support range. I'm getting 33.35, which is interesting because it is the gap support here. And to the upside, it's still the classic 35.15, no change there. So you can take 33.35 as support, or you can take 32.71 as support. Yeah, this is all, or 75. All of this is perfectly viable. So to the downside, there is a bit of artistry to it. Yeah, but ultimately I believe a little bit sideways this morning before we actually make a bounce. There is no clear preference, but knowing what's happening on the daily chart, so we are overall in a downtrend, it does make sense for the market to push lower. Also, even if we get a little bit of a corrective move higher on the daily chart, which would be confirmed by the bullish stochastic, have a look at the momentum and the trend tools, because they are still bearish on the daily chart. So any sort of upside correction could quickly be followed by more losses, simply with the bullish stochastic bearish trend momentum tools set up overall.